First, we have to open install Node.js text file. We are going to follow this text file for our application to run. In the terminal, we are typing python manage.py run server command to start the web server. The application will be loaded on localhost port 8000. This is the web client UI of the fire alarm system that we built. In the dashboard, we can examine floors, rooms, and different sensors individually. Now we can fetch a dummy sensor alert by sending a FOR request to the app and see how the app will be respond. Then the dashboard will notify the change by making the sense indicator by red. And the warning message will be appeared. As you see in the console, real-time data will be logged. Let's start the desktop application run in the main server.py. You can have to log in to see the desktop client. This is the login page. This dashboard is the same as the web client. In here, we are starting another client of the same application. By providing username and the password. Then looks, now we are going to update the sensor value. Like this. Updating sensor value. In here, sensors are updated in real time as the readings. In this, we are frozen sensor reading in every 15 seconds. Let's see how the application will be updated. As you can see, sensor 31 is indicating the carbon dioxide level 9. This is the critical value. In this line daemon, we are open the RPC server port. There is a fire alarm controller class. In the decorator on line number 7 it says the data is injecting to the server. We are using the token authentication system for a login control, and in this application is a login client will be allocated to separate login objects. We are controlling desktop UI by the monitor controller. In here, line number 231 is creating and calling a client object of the remote class.